this tutorial, I'll show you how to join Warpcast. First step is to go to the Warpcast site or app and click Join Warpcast. Create a 24-word seed phrase. This is crucial for account recovery. Pay a fee of $5 for an on-chain platform fees and enter your email address to link it to your account. And then select a permanent username. After setting up your account, personalize your profile with a photo, bio, or other details. Next, go to Settings, Connected Addresses, connect an address, and link your wallet to Warpcast account. You can also explore frames and other features from the Warpcast app or account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.